this is how to actually learn a front flip. Yo everyone, what is going on? My name is Chris and welcome to my front flip tutorial. Let's get right into it. By the way, if you already can do a front flip, just skip to the times that I'm blending in right now to see some tips, tricks, drills or common mistakes. Alright, let's get started. A front flip goes like this. We're standing or whipping here on the trampoline, have our hands up like this. We throw them up and forwards in the air. Then we throw them down. Our chin comes to our breast. At the same time, we pull our core, our hip and our heels up. We bend our legs, our shoulders come to our knees and we grab our shins and tuck to get small in there and get the rotation. Then we just open up and land. So just like this. And now let's move on to exercises to get there. The first exercise is pretty similar to the first exercise we did at the backflip tutorial. We just stand or whip on a trampoline like this, have our arms up and we throw them up in the air when we jump up, just like this. The second exercise is also pretty similar and it's a tucked straight jump. It's just like this. The third exercise is the dive roll. All you have to do for a dive roll is you have to have your arms in front of you like this. Your chin has to go to your breast and always stay there. Then you have to bend your back and you have to pull your core, your hips and your heels up and make yourself small once you feel your arms hitting the trampoline. Just like this. And if that's too scary for you, you can always start from a squat position and have your arms in front of you like this. You can also have them on the trampoline already. Put your chin to your chest and just roll like this. And slowly go up from there. So let's move on to the next exercise. And the next exercise basically is a dive roll. But our hands should not touch the trampoline. And it goes just like this. It works pretty similar as a dive roll. The only difference is that we throw our arms harder than at the dive roll and that our hands do not touch the trampoline. You can also start from a squat position and just do like this and go up from there slowly. The next and last exercise before the actual front flip is the same exercise, but we grab our shins and tuck in the air. We try to land on our lower back or on our ass and slowly move up to the front flip. Please make sure to always have your legs open when you're tucking and your tuck should look like this. Okay, so the exercise looks like this. And once you feel comfortable doing this, all you have to do is throw your arms harder, pull your core, your hip and your heels harder and tuck faster and you will slowly get the front flip. In the beginning it will probably look like this, but this is completely fine. Just practice it and you will soon be able to land a front flip. Okay, let's move on to some tricks and tips that will improve your front flip. Firstly, you want to make sure that you just get awareness in the beginning and work on your technique later on, because technique is useless if you don't know where you are in the air. Secondly, you want to make sure to spot your front flip and therefore you pick a spot in front of you that you fix when you start your front flip and when you land your front flip. Make sure it's the same spot, and we do this because it improves our air awareness and makes the front flip easier in general. My next tip is make sure to throw your arms as hard as possible and pull your core, your hip and your heels as hard as possible into the front flip, simply because it gives you a faster rotation and makes the front flip easier. Another tip is that you try to bring your shoulders to your knees as fast as possible and tuck as small as possible, simply because You're smaller in the air, which gives you better rotation, which means that you have more time in the air for your front flip. And the last tip is, try to do a front flip without ripping on the trampoline. You just stand like this and do a front flip to improve your rotation and to really focus on your arms, your hips and your heels and on your tuck. Now, let's move on to some drills to make your front flip even better. The first exercise is an exercise that I already showed you at the backflip tutorial, and it's an exercise that we do to improve our tuck, and it goes just like this. So all you do is you lay on your back and to try to bring your knees to your shoulders as fast as possible, just like this. Alright, the next exercise is an exercise that will help you with your arm and with your hip movement. We stand here with our arms up. We throw our arms down and at the same time we pull our core and our hip up, just like this. One more time. Be careful and don't tuck, otherwise you'll probably fall on your neck. The last drill exercise is the straight tuck jump, and there we try to bring our knees to our shoulders as fast as possible, which will improve our tuck. This is how it should look. And try to bring your knees to your shoulders as fast as possible. Now let's move on to some common mistakes that you should not do if you want to do a front flip. The first and probably most common mistake is that people don't keep their chin to the chest throughout the whole front flip. Please make sure to always have your chin at your chest throughout the whole movement. The second mistake is that people tuck like this and don't have the legs open like this. As I said before, always tuck with your legs wide open when you do the front flip. The third mistake that I see really often is that people throw their arms super hard, but their core, their hip and their heels don't do anything. And you won't get a good rotation if you just throw your arms, but your core, your hip and your heels don't do anything. So please really try to focus on also pulling your core, your hip and your heels up. The next mistake that I see is that people open up mid-air, and whatever happens, always stay tucked in close. It's just for your own safety. You don't want to open up in the air. Whatever happens, please stay tucked in close mid-air. And now I have some study material for you. Okay, this was my front flip tutorial, and I hope that you can learn a front flip or improve your front flip with this tutorial. By the way, if you got any clips of you trying a front flip or any questions, feel free to send me a DM on Instagram, TikTok, X or any other platform. The links are all down in the description. So just reach out to me, send me a DM, and I will try to help you as much as I can. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.